Hello everyone, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, if your headphone is connected but you are not getting any voice, any sound and no audio output, so this video is for you. I will show you step by step how to troubleshoot this issue guys. So first of all, we need to make sure that the headphone is connected properly and set as our default device. Open the control panel on the search bar, type there control, and on the best test result you need to type here control panel and go to view by icons. Here if it is selected like this, select the large icons. Once you have selected the large icon, inside all the options we need to click on sound option. Once you click on sound option, your headphone or the headset device is connected here. It should be listed here. If it is not listed here, make a right click on the blank area and show disabled devices, and once the disabled device is showing up, you have to enable that device. Okay, just right click there if like this and simply enable that. So once you have enabled your device that is listed inside here, just click on that and go to its properties and go to labels and make sure it is not muted. If it is muted, if it is, there is a red sign on here, okay, you need to make sure that untick that option and then click on apply, click on OK, and also go to the advanced and you can test the sound here. Click on test and see if the sound is coming up, and this is going up and down. If it is not going up and down, choose from the drop down quality and select the best option, that is the highest one. If that is not selected, you can try another one, but make sure you have selected the highest one. Then click on apply, click on OK. And if you have done anything wrong on your system, so you can also restore the default setting on your system, then click on OK. Once you have done this setting guys, your issue should fix. And also go to recording and go to the headphone is connected here, then go to labels, make sure it is also not muted. If it is muted, voice will not go. So this is the setting guys, this is a basic setting, and make sure you have selected that as default device like this. Right click and simply set the headphone as default. Whenever you connect the next time the headphone, it will become the default device and the voice will come automatically through this way. You can see the option of audio here. If I click here, okay, you can see the drop down menu and see the two options are showing here. The second one is my headphone and the first one is my inbuilt laptop speaker. Make sure you have selected your headphone, whichever that is USB or the 3.0 pin, so that doesn't matter, you have to select that headphone, and after that you can replug them and make sure you open that. Once you have plug in, it should be coming up here. After that guys, I'm pretty sure your issue will be fixed. If not, let's move on to the second method. Open the device manager from here, or even you can go to the Windows search result and type there audio input and output device. Select your inbuilt headphone inbuilt driver, this one Realtek, and simply update it. Update it, search automatically. Try this option first. If the search automatically option is not working, you can move on to the browse my computer for drivers, then this option. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and select here the latest driver from drop down menu. And if the latest driver is not working from the drop down menu, you can select the older version, that is called rolling back the driver. And after that you have to restart your system. Also go to sound, video and game controller and do the same setting with here. Okay, like this, and hit next. Also, you can disable your device once, the headphone I'm talking about, and re-enable it once. This method will refresh all the settings inside your system, and I'm pretty sure after applying this method your issue should fix. If it doesn't fix the issue, guys, we have the next fix for you, that is inbuilt troubleshooter. Simply open the troubleshooting from here, control panel, and go to other troubleshooter, and in here run the audio. Okay, you have to run it if it is running, and select your headphone once, and then select your inbuilt speaker driver. So also you need to make sure that, guys, your window is up to date. If not, sometime if you have new setup the windows, some outdated driver can cause issues. So make sure you have updated all the windows and there is no pending driver and windows on your system. So after applying these methods, guys, your issue should fix. If it doesn't fix the issue, any one of the steps is not working, you can go to the manufacturer website and install the manufacturer driver from there. So let me also show you, video is lengthy, but I should tell you how you can download the driver. Dell driver, using here the Dell, go to download. If you are using the HP driver, you have to have the serial number. In this case, guys, let me show you where you can get it. Just select your desktop or the laptop you are using. The serial number should be showing like this. Serial number, it should be listed on your hardware like this. Simply put it here, then click on search. I'm clicking on this option. Go to expand that, and this is the Realtek driver. It is, this hardware is suggesting this option. So click on download, and after that install it and your issue will be fixed. So I'm pretty sure, guys, after applying these methods your issue is fixed. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.